Solution. Integration of 1 by 1 minus x square. 6 whole square. Let's u equals to 1 minus x. So du by dx equals to d by dx 1 minus x. Differentiation of 1 equals to 0 and differentiation of x equals to minus 1 du by dx. The dx equals to minus du, and put the value of dx, so minus du square and du, so minus 1 by u equals to minus u to the power minus 2 du. So integration of u to the power minus 2 equals to u to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Step minus u to the power minus 1 back minus 1 plus c. Minus minus remove. So u to the power minus 1 equals to 1 by u plus c, and put the value of u. 1 by q equals to 1 minus x. Answer. Please subscribe my channel.